Welcome to Guinea, where the weather is hot and the roads are shit. And you get a wicked tan line.
Hey!
So we crossed into Guinea last night. We've been driving for what, 5 hours now, and we've only covered 80 kilometers. We have another 40 k's to go to get to camp tonight. It's crazy to think that this was a main road. Lady on the loose.
It's really friggin' hot. It's like, it must be 40 degrees. And it's very slow. Slow driving. It's very, very bumpy. It's gonna take a long time to get anywhere in this country, I think. We found a campsite near a very remote bit of coastline. We are literally the only guests here, which means we've got this incredible beach all to ourselves. Pretty awesome.
I thought Morocco and Mauritania's driving was bad. I think Conakry and Guinea takes the cake. This is fucked up. They're fucking mad. It is far too hot to be running.
We're in the middle of the worst traffic jam we've ever been in our lives. Things are starting to get a little tense.
Somebody behind us is kicking the car behind us.
There are so many mango trees here. There's like hundreds and hundreds of them everywhere you go. We just bought a bag of these for $1. I'm gonna be eating mangoes like every day. Yum. We're starting to get up into the Guinean highlands now. The scenery is absolutely spectacular. Massive lush forest. It is absolutely incredible.
So we're heading into CHUTES to Saala, which is meant to be an absolutely amazing waterfall. I found a track on Maps.me which takes us right in through the jungle. The roads are a lot worse than I thought they were going to be. It's taken us nearly 3 days now to get into these waterfalls. But we have seen some chameleons and a whole bunch of other amazing things. So all around, so far it's been a good trip. Well, the roads are so shit and we've been fucking packing it at a fair pace that we've ended up rattling our rock slider loose and it's fallen off. So we're gonna use the ratchet strap, tie it back on and wait till we get to a village with a welder and fucking tack it back on. Fucking amazing. We've got 13 k's to go to get to Saala Falls. Night's starting to come down and ideally we don't want to be driving in the darkness through the jungle, but We're just aiming to get there, getting absolutely knackered. My eyes are falling out of my head, my ass has gone to sleep. We'll see how we get on.
It was a long ass drive to get here, I'm not gonna lie. I was starting to wonder whether it was all gonna be worth it, but this has got to be one of the most incredible things we've seen in our whole trip. It is absolutely stunning. Saala Falls and we're heading east on a road that is a little less than ideal. We're trundling on at about 10 kilometers an hour. How far do we have to go?
We have 400 kilometers to go to the next petrol station.
Yay!
Guinea does have some of the best drivers I've ever come across in my travels. What we do in a four-wheel drive, these guys are doing in heavy overloaded trucks, two-wheel drives and motorbikes. In saying that, we've been driving along this road for hours and hours and hours and we have not come across one vehicle or one other person. I don't know if we should be worried.
Holy shit. Oh my god. Woo!
Pumba's had a wash, we've had a wash, the locals have had a laugh, and now it's time for us to find somewhere to park up for the night. We're in the small town of BEYLA and we pulled over so Kristen could go buy some bread. Next thing, this ragtag beaten up Nissan Primera pulls up beside me. A guy in his grubby clothes as mine gets out and starts yelling at me for my documents. I was sitting there going, who the hell is this crazy guy? Wound up my window, got Kristen in the car and we got the fuck out of there. Shit hit the fan when it turns out that he was an undercover police officer.
So we just spent a delightful hour at the BEYLA police station. There were about 15 police officers. They were all yelling at us. There was half the village there. They were all yelling at us. Oscar decided to get smart with them and was being a bit obnoxious, so I was getting flustered. One minute we had to pay, next minute we didn't have to pay. One minute there was a problem with our visa, then there wasn't. Then it all wrapped up by saying Guinea is a free country and so we're getting the hell out of here before anything gets worse. We've absolutely loved it here in Guinea, but we've heard from our contact in Cote d'Ivoire that the rainy season has started already, and as you can tell, it's starting to begin here in Guinea as well. Everything's gone from dry to incredibly lush rainforest, but we need to get to Cote d'Ivoire before it turns into a giant puddle. So bye Guinea, you've been great.